How to create Google Drive link to share files. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create Google file a link to share files. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser and head over to your drive. So you can head over to drive.google.com and it should take you to your drive. Make sure you're logged in into your Google account. After you do that, what you can do right here is you can create a new folder just to share your files. So just tap on this plus icon under new and then tap on new folder. Then I'll just name it file sharing. And with that, our new folder should be created. After you create a new folder, you can then start dropping your files here. Now, I'll just move this file inside this folder. And now this file is in my file sharing folder. Now to create the link, what I can do is tap on these three dots right besides the folder and then tap on share. After you tap on share, there you will see the copy link option. I can just copy the link and then share it. Now here, tap on manage access. And after you tap on manage access, what you'll need to do here is you'll just need to change the access to people who has the link can access this very folder. So as you can see, only people with access can open with the link. Let's change that to anyone with link. After that, you can tap on copy link and start sharing your files. Now you can send a mail for this very you know you can send a mail for this drives link, or you can share it via your Facebook, your WhatsApp, or any other place. So I'll just open up my Google Mail, and after I open up my Google Mail, I can then share this uh, link. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.